Radio, it's haircut time again. I know I said I would do it again in a couple of weeks from my last video, and then it's been like 2 months, but time flies when you're having fun, apparently.
Oh, yeah, so now just finish right, and I have a mirror really fast, so. Right, now taking it from the ear towards the unicorn horn, and last time I was really excited, so just kind of want to bring it some light like, but my hair's straight, it's long and really quick, so I'm going to be a little bit cautious. Maybe, yeah. Right, and now, do the back section, and just back and forth to the top, all the top, and bring it forward, and the key is take off as much of this as your front bit, things like this much. Change quite a lot, go with it. Definitely, sure. Now just going to get the brush and do a few little bits. So I was thinking maybe I can do something dissociated or something, like flip around and see if it all bends down, which it kind of does. So I think I'm going to do it with that maybe something shorter. And then this bit here, comb it across. It's really hard to do that near, by the way. Let's see. Oh, the other side. No idea what step wrong, but it's done now. We'll wait for it to release. Yeah, now we'll just let it dry, and I'll take one so just take some minute. So we can work out on deal with these rice, taking with the
So it's now been a few days since I cut my hair. I finally got around to colouring it this morning, and I like how it's all light, and the curls are sort of more defined in it.